So we're going to go over the common wear and grease points of a snowstorm wing. Starting with grease points, there's going to be 17 total. It's going to be pretty easy though because it's mirrored on each side. So we'll start in the front. We have one here. We just recommend that you grease every one of our plows annually. Now we're going to go over some of the common wear parts on the snowstorm wing. Going down here, we have our wing skid. On the wing skid, we have these curb guards. Those are wear parts. This would be a much less common wear part, this rub bar here, and then the wing skid itself. All of these are just bolt-on parts. All you have to do is unbolt the old, bolt on the new. This is what we call our hinge block. This piece here will be replaced every time you put a new cutting edge on the blade. You'll know when to replace the wing skid when it starts wearing up into this bottom hole or it doesn't scrape anymore. Since all the skids on the snowstorm wing are made out of AR 400 steel, we expect them to last multiple seasons. A unique maintenance feature that we offer is that we have a completely universal wing. So any single component on this entire wing can be put on that side and vice versa. There's no driver's side, passenger side. You don't have to worry about any of that. You just order the one part and then it's good for both sides. There's only one directional piece on this plow, and it would be this hinge plate weldment. So this weldment just has a driver and a passenger side. That's the only piece. And that is not a common wear part at all. So equipped on this plow, we have our Advantage system. In this case, it's hard ox, but we also offer carbide. You know when to replace each and every one of these segments when they've worn down 2 inches. So they come 9 inches tall. When they become 7 inches tall, you know it's time to replace any Advantage section. On each of our wings, we have a total of 6 hoses. There are only 3 SKUs though. So these 2 lines are the same. These 2 lines in here are the same, and these 2 lines are the same. From the valve back, we have a total of 5 hoses, again with only 2 SKUs. The hoses that go to your machine are the same, and all the hoses on the cylinders are the same as each other. On all of our wing plows, inside the valve, we have a total of 8 hoses, but only 3 different SKUs. Each wing has 6 hoses on it, the valve has 8, and the pivot frame has 5. Every one of our wing plows uses the same valve, many of the same hoses, and this snowstorm and the snowfire wing all use the same cylinders. So if you have a snowstorm and a snowfire wing, you're only going to need to keep a few parts on hand because they share many of the same hydraulic parts. On the snowstorm and snow dozer plows, we use this exact same parts on all the wear components and down. And with that, maintaining and running your snowstorm wing plow should be a breeze.